Windscribe provides robot feature which blocks the malware by default. It can also be used to block specific social media sites, gambling, and even sites that publish fake news, which is a pro account feature. This Windscribe VPN feature protects you from viruses, etc. Taking control of robot is putting yourself completely in the cyber driving seat. Let us see how to use robot feature of Windscribe VPN app. First, click on 3-bar hamburger icon on the top left corner. A new user interface will be opened in front of you. Here, click on account option. Now tap on edit account option at the bottom of the screen. This way, you will be able to customize your user account in a more professional way. Now click on my account option. Here you will see account overview. My account drop down menu will show advanced option here. Click on robot option. You will see a heading which says robot is an advanced DNS and IP level blocker that works on all your devices. Below there are two headings. First one is block list and the second one is custom rules. Let's check block list first. The first option is malware. On the right hand side you can see blocking option with a tick mark. It will help you to block malware when surfing the internet. The second option is trackers. On the right hand side you can see it is allowing. If you click on allowing, then status will change to blocking. You will get an option below which says apply to all connected devices immediately. You can choose yes or no option here. This will block online trackers. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see the options like social media, social networks, allowing. You can see there is gambling option, there is fake news option, etc. You can block gambling and fake news options from here. But this requires a pro account feature. Let's check custom rules next. In the custom rules option, you can see the first heading is search rules. The second option is enter domain, IP address or network. Here, if you enter a website, then it will be blocked when it is connected to the VPN. You can choose any website you want to. Here I am typing, for example, website.com. Now click on plus icon. This will add website.com to custom block list. You can see there is an option with a red color called block. Click on it. Now there are three options. First one is block and second one is whitelist and the third option is spoof. If you click on whitelist, then it will allow this website through VPN. You can also see green color toggle option here. If you click on it, then it will turn off custom rule for this website. So this was the quick introduction of robot feature on Windscribe VPN app. If you like this video, then consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for future updates about useful videos. I hope this video was helpful to you, so share this video with friends.